Hello, I am M. Yusuf D. Memon from Matiari. Today, I teach you exercise 4A, exercise 4B and exercise 4C of Unit 2.3 Language Practice of English Class 9 new course. Let's see what does this exercise say. Exercise 4A. Fill the blanks in the following exercise with nouns formed by using the suffix ment with the appropriate given words. One has been done as an example. These three exercises are about suffix. What is a suffix? Let me explain it. A syllable which is added in the end of a word to make a new word is called suffix. In this exercise, suffix ment is needed. Employment, treatment. We will add ment in each word. When we will add ment, the new word will be employment. And when we will add ment to this word treat, the new word will be treatment. Manage. When we will add ment, the new word will be management. Pay. When we will add ment, the new word will be payment. Retire. When we will add ment to this word, the new word will be retirement. Judge. When we will add ment to this word, the new word will be judgment. The first one has already been done. As number one, as soon as the judgment was given, the reporters left the courtroom. Number two, Zama is back to work after his treatment. Number three, the workers receive their weekly dash every day. Weekly payment. Every day. My son is looking for dash as he lost his job last week. Looking for employment. Number five, after his dash at the age of 60, he has decided to write a book. After his retirement. He has decided to write a book. The dash of the school announced their new admission policy yesterday. The management of the school. The management. The management of the school announced their new admission policy yesterday. Now, exercise number 3. Fill the blanks in the following exercise by using the suffix nes, N-E-S-S, nes, with the appropriate given words. The given words are ill, the new word will be illness, bold, boldness, neat, neatness, kind, kindness, soft, softness. These are words: ill, bold, neat, kind, soft. Number 1, her dash has made her weak. Her illness has made her weak. I love the dash of her new sofa set. I love the softness of our new sofa set. Our neighbor's son is a soldier, fought the enemy with dash, with boldness. Our neighbor's son, who is a soldier, fought the enemy with boldness. Number 4, the principal of our school treats everyone with dash, with kindness. Our principal, the principal of our school treats everyone with kindness. My mother taught us dash in all our work, taught us neatness. My mother taught us neatness in all our work. Now, exercise 4C. Fill the blanks in the following exercise by using the suffix al with the appropriate given words. Sign, signal. Survive, survival. Approve, approval. Propose, proposal. Remove, removal. Now let's read the sentences. The dash of the green turtle is in danger on the Karachi beaches. The survival of the green turtle is in danger on the Karachi beaches. Number 2, our dash for setting up dispensary was accepted by the minister. Our proposal for setting up a dispensary was accepted by the minister. Number 3, the dash of garbage is the responsibility of the government. The removal of the garbage is the responsibility of the government. The train moved out of the station as soon as the guard gave the dash signal. The train moved out of the station as soon as the guard gave the signal. I need my parents' dash for going to friend's wedding. Approval. I needed my parents' approval for going to friend's wedding. These were the 3 exercises about suffix. Thank you very much.